The concept of affordable 3D printed and self-folded homes designed by AI is revolutionizing the construction industry, offering innovative solutions to global housing challenges. Traditional construction methods are often time-consuming, costly, and environmentally taxing. In contrast, AI-driven printing and self-folding technologies present a cost-efficient and rapid approach to building homes. AI plays a crucial role in optimizing the design and construction process. By analyzing vast amounts of architectural data, material properties, and environmental factors, AI algorithms can generate efficient, structurally sound designs tailored to specific needs. These AI-generated designs minimize material waste, reduce labor costs, and accelerate construction timelines. 3D printing technology utilizes a variety of materials, including concrete, recycled plastics, and biodegradable composites to construct homes layer by layer. AI algorithms optimize material usage and deposition patterns to ensure structural integrity while keeping costs low. These homes can be printed in a matter of hours or days, significantly reducing construction time compared to traditional methods. Self-folding structures take inspiration from origami and biomimicry principles, allowing flat-packed materials to transform into fully functional homes with minimal human intervention. AI-driven algorithms calculate precise folding patterns and stress distribution to ensure the stability and durability of the final structure. This approach enables the rapid deployment of housing solutions in disaster-stricken areas or remote locations where traditional construction resources are scarce. One of the major advantages of AI-designed, 3D printed, and self-folded homes is affordability. By leveraging advanced algorithms, the entire construction process can be streamlined, reducing overhead costs associated with manual labor, transportation, and excess material usage. Furthermore, modular designs allow for customization and scalability, catering to different budgets and requirements. From an environmental perspective, these technologies promote sustainability by utilizing eco-friendly materials, reducing construction waste, and optimizing energy efficiency in home designs. AI can analyze climate data to incorporate passive design strategies, such as natural ventilation and solar orientation, further enhancing the energy performance of these homes. Real-world applications of AI-driven 3D printed and self-folded homes are already emerging. Companies and research institutions worldwide are experimenting with building affordable housing for low-impact populations, temporary shelters for disaster relief, and even futuristic smart homes with integrated AI systems for enhanced living experiences. As the technology continues to advance, challenges such as regulatory compliance, material limitations, and large-scale adoption must be addressed. However, the potential benefits of AI-designed, 3D printed, and self-folded homes in addressing the global housing crisis and promoting sustainable development make them a promising solution for the future. The integration of artificial intelligence and advanced manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing and self-folding materials offers a groundbreaking solution to the global housing crisis. AI-driven algorithms optimize architectural designs by analyzing structural integrity, environmental factors, and cost efficiency, while 3D printing provides a rapid and scalable construction method that significantly reduces labor costs. How can these technologies be further improved to meet the growing demand for affordable housing? Self-folding structures inspired by origami engineering enable prefabricated materials to autonomously transform into functional living spaces upon deployment. These combined technologies could revolutionize urban planning and disaster relief efforts, making high-quality housing more accessible to underserved populations. Dave, I'm really curious, how has the scale of arbitrage, how did IQ major things with number 6 make artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in designing affordable housing by leveraging vast data sets to optimize construction efficiency, cost, and sustainability. Machine learning algorithms analyze factors such as local climate, material properties, and structural load requirements to generate designs that maximize functionality while minimizing costs. AI can perform simulations to test various design scenarios, identifying potential weaknesses and optimizing layouts for energy efficiency, natural lighting, and spatial utilization. For example, AI-powered tools like Autodesk's generative design software have been used to create lightweight, structurally sound buildings with minimal waste, reducing construction costs by up to 30%. AI in housing design is like a personal fitness coach, analyzing strengths and weaknesses to create a tailored plan that optimizes performance and well-being. 3D printing in construction involves the layer-by-layer deposition of materials such as concrete, recycled polymers, or bio-based composites to create entire homes. This technology allows for unprecedented design flexibility, reduced material wastage, and faster construction timelines. AI enhances 3D printing by dynamically adjusting print parameters in real time based on environmental conditions and material behavior. Robotic arms and gantry systems are used to deposit construction material with precision, enabling complex geometries that would be difficult to achieve with traditional construction methods. How can the durability and cost-effectiveness of 3D printed materials be enhanced further? The first 3D printed community in Mexico, developed by New Story and Icon, provided homes to families in need at a fraction of conventional building costs. 3D printing homes is like icing a cake, layer by layer, carefully constructing a durable and intricate structure with precision and minimal waste. Self-folding structures draw inspiration from natural phenomena such as protein folding and origami engineering to create materials that change shape under specific conditions. These materials are engineered to respond to environmental stimuli such as heat, moisture, or electrical signals, allowing them to self-assemble into predetermined configurations. AI algorithms assist in optimizing folding patterns and material compositions to achieve the desired structural form and stability. This technology has profound implications for affordable housing, as prefabricated flat panels can be transported efficiently and then deployed into full-scale homes with minimal manual labor. Researchers at MIT have developed self-folding materials that can transform into complex 3D structures within minutes when exposed to heat, offering rapid deployment for emergency shelters. Self-folding homes are like flat-packed furniture that assembles itself, eliminating the need for manual construction and reducing logistical challenges. The materials used in 3D printing and self-folding architecture must possess unique properties such as flexibility, durability, and environmental adaptability. AI-driven material selection optimizes the use of sustainable materials such as recycled concrete, biodegradable polymers, and carbon nuclear composites, which can significantly reduce the environmental footprint of construction projects. Researchers are also developing smart materials with programmable properties, allowing them to change their mechanical properties over time to adapt to environmental conditions such as temperature fluctuations and seismic activity. How can the incorporation of AI improve the sustainability of construction materials? Recent advances in bio-based 3D printing materials, AI-driven housing solutions contribute to sustainability by reducing waste, optimizing energy efficiency, and utilizing eco-friendly materials. 3D printed homes minimize construction debris, while AI algorithms help in designing energy-efficient layouts that reduce heating and cooling demands. Self-folding structures allow for minimal transportation and storage requirements, further reducing the carbon footprint. AI can also analyze life cycle assessments of construction materials, ensuring that the environmental impact is minimal from production to eventual recycling. A project in the Netherlands used AI-optimized 3D printed concrete structures, reducing material consumption by 50% while maintaining structural integrity. Sustainable AI-driven homes are like electric cars, combining innovation and efficiency to create a greener future. The economic benefits of AI-powered 3D printed and self-folding homes are significant, offering a drastic reduction in construction costs compared to traditional methods. By automating labor and testing tasks, AI and robotics can reduce labor costs by up to 70%, making housing more accessible to low-income populations. Furthermore, the speed of construction, finances to full-time payments, it translates to reduced financing costs and faster occupancy rates. Double's 3D printed office building was completed in just 17 days, showcasing the speed and cost effectiveness of AI-driven construction methods. AI drip housing is like fast fashion, but for homes. Efficient production at a fraction of the traditional cost. AI-designed 3D printed and self-folding homes have enormous potential for disaster relief and humanitarian efforts, providing rapid and scalable housing solutions for displaced populations. In emergency situations, traditional construction methods are often too slow to meet the urgent demand for shelter. AI-driven systems can quickly analyze the terrain, climate, and available resources to generate suitable housing designs that can be deployed rapidly. Prefabricated, self-folding structures, in particular, can be airlifted and deployed in remote areas, providing immediate shelter with minimal logistical challenges. UN organizations have experimented with 3D printed refugee shelters in war-torn regions, reducing dependence on temporary tents. AI-powered disaster relief housing is like instant noodles, quick, convenient, and life-saving in times of crisis. AI-driven 3D printed and self-folding homes represent the future of affordable and sustainable housing. As technology advances, further improvements in design optimization, material efficiency, and cost reduction are expected, making such homes widely accessible. Policymakers, architects, and engineers must collaborate to ensure the responsible deployment of these technologies to address the global housing crisis. So